What's up, fam? Today we're going to be going over the single arm lat pull down. Alright, and this is the single arm lat pull down. Okay, going over the posture, you want to stagger your feet and lean into the cable at about 45 degrees. Taking a look at the feet, the front foot should be flat on the ground while the back foot should be slightly bent. With each rep, you should focus on driving the elbow to the hip. Okay, pay close attention here. When performing this exercise, it's extremely important to make sure you focus on pulling through the elbow instead of the hand. When you pull through the hand, you typically end up using the bicep rather than using the lat. Here's a quick variation that can be used to target the upper portion of the lat as well as the teres minor. For those lacking balance, you can also place a knee on the ground to add extra stability. Alright, fam, and that's how we do a single arm lat pull down. Until next time.